Hello, everyone. My name is Darlene. I am the wife of Craig Cole, aka Option King. I'm here today to try to learn with everyone how to do option trading. This is my very first time, and I told Craig that I would be filmed so that maybe others can learn how to do this. So, what happened today is August 15th. We had an option that he had generated last week expire. So now today we're going to take a look at what we should do for the next position.
Now we should look at the current stock price is at 23.70. We wrote that covered call, strike price 22, and we got 70 cents a share for it. Our stock is going to get taken away at $22 a share because the current market price is 23.70, and if you notice, it keeps fluctuating. Which is fine with us because now what we're going to do is we're going to write a covered put. That means we need collateral in order to write it.
And what's confusing a little bit is you can write a sell option or a buy option. We do not buy options; we sell them.
Correct.
So that's really important. And when we do the final transaction, Craig can show you what you should be looking for. Okay.
So this is a list of all the options that are currently.
So we're here today. We're looking at ones for August 22nd, and we're gonna go to this price, right? The 23.50.
Yes, we're going to sell a covered put.
Now this is what he just told me, and I just found out, so it's really important that, and so I'm going to tell you. So this figure, the 56 cents, is if you sell the option. That's what you're going to get. Your premium is that amount.
Yeah, it's a bid or ask. If you hit on the ask side,
which is this one,
you'll buy the option.
which we don't want to do.
Right.
So, so this one here, and what we discussed earlier, which I wasn't aware that is important, but he said that we should not do the market price, and we should bump it up a little bit because come Monday, if the market opens, this could be a lot lower.
A lot lower.
And so we want to be able to basically set our price and say, this is what we're going to take, and that's it. And
right.
That's it.
So let's go through that.
Okay.
Just click on that 56 cents.
Okay.
Ticket will come up on the right.
Right.
So you look at sell to open.
The
make
STO.
Sure. Yeah. Yes. Now pull down that menu and show everybody. Yeah. Buy to open, buy to close, sell to open, sell to close. So we want sell to open.
Right. Which is what it's on there now.
Yeah.
Okay. So, and then the other thing that we should mention, which I'm sure everybody already knows except me until just recently, there's 100 that you, for every one option, it's 100 shares.
Correct.
Okay.
Correct.
So when we look at that 56 cents, that's per share. So that's a premium profit. If we were going to ask 56 cents, which we're not, we're going to maybe do 58, but that would get us $58.
Yes.
Like if we do 58 cents.
Yeah.
Okay, so $58, but you do not get that until it triggers.
And that money is deposited directly in your account as soon as that is triggered.
Right.
That's cash money in your pocket. So let's do that. Let's name our price.
All right, so right here where it says price, you can bump it 57, there's 58.
Yes, we're going to go 58 because that will give us almost a 3% return on our money.
So there's your money right there, $58.
Yep.
Okay, so then we do,
No, you want good till canceled.
oh yeah. So we want good till cancel. Now that's only until the 22nd when that expires. So,
If it's not triggered before 8/22, then that order would be canceled.
right. And you wouldn't get any money.
Right.
You don't get this money, this $58 until this gets triggered. So like I said, I was discussing this earlier. If come Wednesday, if I say, I'm not waiting until Friday, I want to do something today, I could always change it.
Yes, you can change it at any time. If it's not executed, then you can change it at any time.
So like, okay, so if I could like, if on Wednesday, if I said, well, I'm gonna bump it down a penny, and could I do that?
Yes,
And then possible it'll trigger that day or that.
yeah. Or if Monday comes around and you see the market, doesn't look like it's going to trigger at the 58 cents, you could always change it to market.
Oh
And
yeah.
it will be triggered right away.
Okay.
The only thing about market is you're not guaranteed what price you're going to get. So even though the market currently says 56 cents, when it's triggered, it could be 53. It could be 50 cents. So I never go with market just because you don't know what you'll end up getting.
And it fluctuates second by second, right?
Yes, oh yeah.
Like not even seconds, probably like, like
Milliseconds.
milliseconds. Yeah,
It's
right.
constantly changing.
Right.
Constantly changing.
So this way, if you set your price, then that's your price. That they're not going to be able to mess with that, right?
Correct.
Okay.
Correct.
All right.
Actually, you could actually get, because you set it to limit at 58 cents, good till cancel, you might actually get a better price than 58 cents.
All right. That'd be nice.
Yep.
All right. So now we review that, right?
Yep.
Okay.
And this part is extremely important. Make sure that that ticket is correct.
Yeah. So you've got your company's name and one option. How come it says 105 shares?
We own 105 shares.
Oh, but they're only gonna look at 100 of them, or it's only gonna affect 100, not 105.
Yeah, right.
Right. Okay, so that's right, and then here's the bid amount. Wait, why does it say 56?
Because that's a current market bid.
Oh, here's ours.
Yes.
Okay, I was like, where's ours say? Okay, right there, 58 cents. Okay. See, I'm kind of goofy when I don't know none of this. All right, so $58, and then the commission industry fee, really. So we would profit $57.34 total.
Correct.
Yeah, and that's good for 4 days.
Yes.
All right, so we're good then. We can hit place order.
Yep.
All right. Okay. So we won't know if this is going to trigger until Monday because now the market's closed. It's the weekend. Nothing's going to happen in the next couple days, correct?
Correct.
Yeah.
Correct.
Okay. So, and then also you want to tell them that we're not experts, right?
Right. We're not financial advisors. This is not asking you to buy or sell anything. This is just what we are doing. And we're going to make this a little mini series. We're going to follow my wife and her trades every week and see how it goes. And like I said, this is just what we are doing. These prices fluctuate minute by minute, second by second. So what we're getting, you may not necessarily get.
Right. And he spends a ton of time researching different stocks. So that's the other really important thing when you're doing your options. You have to have faith in the company that you chose to do the options.
Correct.
And that involves hours and hours and hours of research. And so, um, he also has like a list that is available through the website that he's researched and
that
obviously could
I'm
share.
Yeah, that I'm currently selling options on. I have 5 stocks that I sell options on right now. And I have a list of 15 stocks that, if given the opportunity, I will sell options on. But I usually only sell options on no more than 5 stocks at a time.
Right. So, like a lot of people I've talked to, they don't want to invest the time and research. And that's why he's so passionate. It's something he loves to do. So basically, he's doing it for fun. And then, he'll have it available for others, but again, it's not just because there's a list doesn't mean that list is gonna make you, a millionaire, but it's there and he's researched it. And if it's, companies are good enough for him to dabble with, then I would say, they're pretty good overall.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, please like and subscribe. Like I said, we're going to make this a series. We're going to follow my wife every week and see how she does. And what's really important about this is selling options, doing it the way my wife's doing it, where she just sets it up and forgets about it and then opens it up at the end of the week to see what she's got. uh, to me, is the best way to sell options. You shouldn't be following its ups and downs and all that. It doesn't matter. If you set this up, all you're concerned about is the premium, is making the money.
Yeah.
That's cash in your pocket. It's not wishful thinking.
So yeah, just if you want to follow along, hopefully, you can get some education or whatever and make some good choices of your own.
Yeah. Thanks.
Thanks. Bye.